In this video, we're going to make a column family that is rectangular or square in shape with a taper at the top to a underside of slab that has a thickened slab around the head. So I'm first going to go to the plan view and create an extrusion square for the column. And if I look at it in 3D and finish, and then front view, it's going to go up to a certain height. So let's say our floor to floor height is 11 feet, 11 inches. And our taper then will go from here out and up. So we're going to do a blend shape. So you're going to define a top and a bottom profile. So if I go back to my reference level plan and go to create blend, it's going to ask me first to do the base shape. So the base shape will match the column base. And then when I hit this edit top button, then I'm going to draw a top shape. So we'll make that a little larger than the bottom. And we're going to constrain it just so that it'll adjust accordingly. So if I put dimension strings on here, which one did I forget? This one. Dimension string here. So we'll make it a foot larger at the top on all sides. So now if I look at this in 3D, you're going to have two shapes to join together. There you can see. So then all I need to do is go back to my front view and adjust that to where it needs to be. And then I need to draw the larger square for the enlarged slab thickness above. So if I go back to my reference level and create just a basic extrusion, and again I can do that as large as I need it. So let's say it's 3 feet bigger than the outer edge of the column. Those sides covered, dimension this side and this side. I'm going to set all these at 3 feet. So then if I want to maintain the relationship of all these sizes, I could lock these so that it will always be 3 feet out from the edge of that reference plane. Set the constraint so if the column size changes, the top thickened slab portion will change. So if I go back to 3D and hit finish, then I can go to my front view and adjust this up to the level above. Bring it up to here. Let's say that this thing is 11 foot 7. Oops, sorry, that didn't work. Pick that again. Change that to 11 foot 7 for the base offset. Maybe let's do 11.5. Because I don't really know how thick this is. It might just be a visual setting that you want to get right, and then I can just pull that up to there. So then in 3D, if you want to make it, take a look at it, there you go. So then just draw the column, the size and shape that you want it. Draw the blend rectangles, the size and shape you want them, and then the rectangle above the size and shape you want it. And then load it into the project.